Hi, this is Kumaresh from Department of Mechatronics Engineering. We seen the topics about chain drives. First, introduction to chain drive. Chain drive is a way of transmitting mechanical power from one place to another. It can be used to convey power to the wheel of the vehicles, particularly like bicycles and motorcycles. It also used in the wide variety of machines. Most often, the power is conveyed by a roller chain known as the drive chain or transmission chain, passing over a sprocket gear with the help of the gear, messing with the holes in the links of the chain. There are different types of classifications of chains available. The first one is the hoisting and hauling chains. Next one is the conveyor chains. Third one is the power transmitting chains. The other name of hoisting and hauling is called crane. The conveyor chains are called as tractive chains, and power transmission chains are called as driving chains. Hoisting and hauling chains. This type of chains look like a oval shape, which is shown in this figure. The first figure is called the oval-like structure. In this, we used the sprockets to receive the links. Such types of chains are used only at the low speeds, such as like chain hoist and in anchors and marine works. The next one is the chain with square links. These types are used for the hoist, cranes, etc. The manufacturing cost of this type of chain is less than that of chain with oval link. Next one is the conveyor chains. These chains used for elevating and conveying the materials continuously. It can classified as the two types. One is the detachable or hook joint type, and the another one is the closed joint type. These conveyor chains are usually made of malleable cast iron material. These chains do not have smooth running qualities. It can run at slow speeds, about 3 to 12 km per hour. The next one is the power transmission chain. In this chain is used for transmission of power when the distance between the center of the shaft is short. The power transmission chains are classified as the three types. First one is the block chain, which is shown in this figure. This type of chain is used in early stages of development in the power transmission. It produces noise when approaching or leaving the teeth of the sprocket. It is used for some extent as a conveyor chain at small speed. This figure shows the roller chain drive. The next one is the bush roller chain. It consists of the outer plates, inner plates, pins, bushes, and rollers. These are free to rotate on the bush, which protect the sprocket wheel teeth against the wear. A bush roller chain is extremely strong and simple in contents. It gives a good service under severe conditions. Then it fit unequally into the cavities of the wheel. Next one, the inverted tooth or silent chain. It is designed to eliminate the evil effects caused by the stretching and to produce noiseless running. When properly lubricated, this chain gives the durable service and runs very smoothly and quietly. Next one in this figure shows the inverted tooth chain drive. Some of the advantages of chain drive is as there is no slip takes place during the chain drive, hence perfect velocity is obtained. Then it is made of metals, therefore they occupy less space in width than the belt or rope drive. It may be used when the distance between the shaft is less and give high transmission efficiency up to 98% and give less load on the shaft and give the ability of transmission mode several shafts by one chain only. Some of the limitations: the production cost of chain is relatively high and it needs accurate mounting and careful maintenance, particularly lubrication and slack adjustment. The next one is the velocity fluctuations, especially when unduly stretched. Next, how to select the chain and sprocket wheel. The following factors we can be considered while selecting the chain and sprocket wheel. First one is the power to be transmitted. Second one is speed reduction ratio. Third one is the speed of the driving and driven shafts. Next one is the method of lubrications, load capacity, standard distance between the shaft, positive drive requirements, shaft layout, space available, and service conditions. The method of lubricants, which we require for 6 purposes. One is to resist wear of the pin pushing joint, to cushion impact loads, to dissipate any heat generated, and flush away the foreign materials and give the lubricants between the contact surfaces, to retard the rust or corrosions. Types of lubrications are chain drives. One is the manual type, then oil bath and the oil stream lubrication. Type A, it's called as manual or drip lubrications. It should be applied periodically between the chain link plate edges with a brush, or spout can or dip lubrication. Type B is called as oil bath or oil slinger. With bath lubrication, the lower standard of chain runs through the sump of the oil in the drive housing. It should reach the pitch line of the chain and its lowest speed while operating, and the throttle length of the chain should run through the oil. The type is the oil stream lubrications. This type is required for large horsepower and high speed drives, and its pump should be provided to spray the oil across the lower span of chain in the continuous stream. Thank you for watching this presentation.